Good day, everybody. This is going to be a real quickie. I really need this session because my daughter-in-law, my youngest son's wife, is in labor at the moment. So I've chosen some colors. I actually let them pick me. So I've got a red, a purple, a real like a skin color, something that looks like a yellow ochre, and a pink, and a real like a soft pink. So excuse me, let's just go with it. I'm so excited. And what else do you do? Okay, so let's just go with it. You know, I'm just not gonna even try too hard. I just want to do something here. Not sure what I'm doing. I just feel very feminine at the moment, and I think all us ladies get a little bit femme when a family member or a friend or somebody like that is in labor, and or their daughter-in-law is in labor. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow here, you know. It's just so exciting. I've got a grandson. He's 6 months old, and my first granddaughter. You'll have to apologize. You'll have to forgive me for the next door's dog. I have no control of him barking, but I'm going to try and ignore it. He's just doing his thing, I guess. So my first granddaughter passed away. She goodness, I've got a frog in my throat. She is an angel now, I'm sure. You know, she fought so hard. She had a disease called, or a syndrome rather, called the Turner syndrome, and she didn't make it in this world. So sorry, I just checked to make sure I'm still on. I'm still a little bit emotional about that because it's July, and she passed away in July, only 2 days ago. So it's a little bit emotional for me, but she lives in my heart and my soul. And my daughter had a son after her, and he's doing really, really well. So that's a positive thing. And I'm sure Saria, that's her name, Saria Faith, we had her baptized and cremated. So she's she lives in our hearts and souls. So this little beautiful, gorgeous girl that's being born as we speak, how amazing is this? You know, she's her name's Charlie, and she's just gonna be wonderful, beautiful little soul. I just know it. And I'm sharing this with all of you guys because you are my family. I don't have a lot of family, so I'm sharing this with all you guys, and I hope that some of you will say a little prayer and a little wishful thing for Charlie, and for Sabrina, her mum, and Philip, her dad, just to make sure that everything goes well. Although by the time you see this video, probably everything will be already over. But still, you're with me at this moment. So I just want you all to know that art therapy really is not about creating masterpieces. It's about expressing what you're feeling at the the moment that you're creating the art. Sorry, I just yelled out to my son who lives next door to me, asking him if he heard the news. This is my other son, Alex. So I'm adding a little bit of yellow here. I'm not really into yellow so much, but yellow to me represents sunshine and lightness and life and all that kind of beautiful energy. And all the colors really represent some kind of energy. You know, even black. A lot of people, you know, they kind of turn off black, or turn away from black. But black also has an energy, and it's not a negative energy necessarily. You know, just like red. Red is a really, really powerful color. Whenever you're going like for an interview or something like that, wear red. You're gonna feel marvelous, and you're gonna feel the power within you. Wear red if you want to look powerful. Okay, if you want to look spiritual or feel spiritual, wear purple. If you want to feel light. Why is that doing? Oh, sorry, I got to plug this thing in. Okay. So wear yellow. Okay, so if you didn't get that, wear yellow if you're feeling light and summery, or if you want to feel like that, or you want people to see you like that. It's just amazing. Colors are just amazing, you know. Blue represents deep emotion, and seriously, there's no textbook that tells you all this stuff. There may be. I'm just going by how I feel, how these colors make me feel, and they may make you feel different, you know. So just go with the flow. You don't have to take everything that I say as the truth, you know. This is just what the truth is to me at this stage, you know. Things change a lot. But you do know, like even in nature, if there's an animal there and it's and you present it with a red color, it will think it's danger and it'll run away. So red really shows the power. You know, it's a really, really strong color. So okay, what does this look like? It does look like something, but it doesn't really matter. It is what it is. This is what I'm feeling at this moment, and this is what I want to do, is to encourage you to, when you're doing these daily journals, just go with the flow. Okay, don't judge your artwork. It's still artwork. It's expression. It's expressing what you're feeling at this moment. Okay, and that's what it is. And I love using these oil pastels because of their texture and because they're awesome with blending. You can really blend the colors together beautifully. Use one of those blending sticks that work really, really well. So what I'm doing is I'm just going with the flow. Really, I'm not thinking about what I'm doing. I'm talking to you guys. I am feeling you all here with me, and I'm just going with it. Don't know what it looks like. Probably looks like a little children's drawing. But oftentimes in my art sessions, art therapy sessions with people, if they can't open up, I ask them what they think or feel a child would say about certain things. And 9 times out of 10, they will tell me exactly what they feel. You know, because you can't really imagine what a child feels unless you are talking about feeling your own inner child self, you know. That's just how it works. It's amazing. People are just amazing, and our minds are just so complex but so simple at the same time. So I'll just keep going with this now. I might just shut up for a second. I'm so excited. I'm going to be grandma again. I'm going to try and shut up and just really get into this drawing. Ooh, that was hot. So that's it. Not a masterpiece. It burned my finger, but this is how I feel at this moment. There's a little baby in there, and there's a lot of pain. Like there's a lot of blood. Obviously, the red represents blood here. There's a lot of yellow here, which I presented as sunshine and all these wonderful things, but it's dirty. See, it's got all this ash kind of things. It's burnt. So at the moment, it feels like it's all going to happen and it's going to be wonderful. But at the moment, it hurts and there's a lot of pain. and it's dirty and messy, you know. And then there's a lot of these beautiful kind of pink waves and curvy things which represent a female person, you know. A bit of blue sky here, which I forgot to blend in, and I haven't got any white. Oh yes, I do. Get a bit of white to blend it in a little bit better, to like smooth it down a bit. Like I said, art therapy is not about creating masterpieces. Although sometimes I question things, because if you look at some of the old artists from hundreds of years ago, some of their art is absolutely really weird when you look at them, and they are considered as being masterpieces and sold for millions of dollars. So I'm not saying this is one of those, definitely not even a percent of it, but I'm saying this is what I'm feeling at this moment, and I can't even, you know, looking at it, I can dissect it and figure out what everything means, because I am an art therapist, but I'm not even going to do that. This is just one of those things, and I'm gonna put down the date. Today is the 17th of July 2018, and my granddaughter is being born as we speak, or the process of being born, and this is what I created in her honor. Not much to look at, but to me it's an expression. So I hope you have learned something out of this video, at least something that will tell you, you know, about creating these little art diaries and expressing yourselves. You don't have to show them to anybody. I'm showing this to the whole world, but you don't have to show it to anybody. This can be just your little thing that you do, and look deeply into it and find yourself in there. You know, if I was to look and find myself in there, I would probably be these two little eyes here watching and waiting to hear something, you know. But there's all kinds of things in there. You can really dissect it and get all kinds of information out of your artwork. Don't judge it. Okay, that was a loud, really loud car. But thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you get something out of it. Don't judge yourself. Express yourself. You know, do the wonderful masterpieces any other day. But when it comes to your daily journals, your art journals, just be yourself. And you can keep it to yourself. Don't have to share it with anybody. This is your own private little thing. Okay? I love you all. Keep creating and stay safe. Bye for now.